Good day, kids! Alam niyo na ba kung paano ito bibilangin ng mas mabilis? For today, we will need the help of Chrizzha Chloe, a grade 1 pupil from Capas, Tarlac. Take it away,
8
Chrizzha.
times 12 is equal to 96.
Today, what we will be discussing is to multiply a number by 12. And this is made easy for early learners like you. Here is one way of getting the number of groups. The first row has 3, 2, and 3. Therefore, 3 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 8. There are 8 groups altogether. Checkin na natin kung tama ang ating sagot sa pamamagitan ng pagbibilang ng isa-isa. Ito ay mabagal pero kailangan nating alamin kung paano. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 groups. Gusto niyo ba yung mas mabilis? Let's count the number of rows and the number of columns. Go! 1, 2, 3 rows. Now, we will proceed with finding the number of columns. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. But wait, there is a missing group. Remember to subtract the number of missing groups. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8.
8 times 12 is equal to 96.
O diba ang bilis ni Chrizzha Chloe? Upang mas mapadali natin ang calculation, we will expand 12 into 10 plus 2. First, we have to multiply the number of tens, and later, the number of ones. 8 times 10 is equal to 80. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Then add 80 plus 10 is equal to 90 plus 6 is equal to 96.
8 times 12 is equal to 96. 8 times 12 is equal to 96.
Tuloy lang,
Multiplication
Chloe!
level 12. 9 times 12 is equal to 108. 8 times 12 is equal to 96. 8 times 12 is equal to 96. 8 times 12 is equal to 96. 7 times 12 is equal to 84. 6 times 12 is equal to 72. 5 times 12 is equal to 60. 6 times 12 is equal to 72. 5 times 12 is equal to 60. 6 times 12 is equal to 72. 7 times 12 is equal to 84. 5 times 12 is equal to 60. 4 times 12 is equal to 48. 4 times 12 is equal to 48. 4 times 12 is equal to 48. 5 times 12 is equal to 60. 8 times 12 is equal to 96. 7 times 12 is equal to 84. 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 8 times 12 is equal to 96. 6 times 12 is equal to 72. 5 times 12 is equal to 60. 6. 4 times 12 is equal to 48. 7 times 12 is equal to 84. 6 times 12 is equal to 72. 5 times 12 is equal to 60.
Congratulations, Chrizzha! Malayo ang iyong mararating. Ipagpatuloy lang ang pag-aaral sa mathematics. Inaanyayahan ko ang mga parents at mga kabataang Pilipino na mag-join sa ating online class mula Monday hanggang Saturday. See you there! Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.